What is Christmas spirit? I really thought I knew. Thought that it was wrapped in gifts and stuffed in stockings too. Why is it so far away? Why can't I find the reason? How come I can't catch that spirit of the Christmas season? Christmas spirit, don't you care? Christmas spirit, fill the air. Christmas spirit, please come through. Christmas spirit, I need you. It's not twisted in a candy cane, not baked inside a pie. It's not lit up in a window pane or in a garland hanging high. Christmas spirit, are you there? Christmas spirit, please come share. Christmas spirit, time to start. Christmas spirit, fill my heart. It's a feeling that you want to give. Don't care if you receive. It's the feeling that you want to share. That's the spirit I believe. It's a feeling that you want to care for the earth and all that grows, for animals and friends and trees in the meadows. Christmas spirit, you are there. Christmas spirit, everywhere. Christmas spirit, I can see. Christmas spirit, you're in me.